Automate repetitive tasks in Excel and Sheets app. The pros, the cons. Automate repetitive tasks in Excel and Sheets app is perfect for professionals who spend hours on spreadsheets every week. Most people get this wrong by manually copying, formatting and calculating data, but here's the surprising truth. Simple automation can save hours and prevent costly mistakes. A major pro of this app is its macro and formula automation capabilities. You can create scripts that automatically clean data, generate reports, or update dashboards without repeating the same steps. For example, monthly sales data can be imported, formatted, and summarized in minutes rather than hours. Another advantage is the integration with cloud services. The app can link Google Sheets and Excel with databases, CRMs, and analytics tools, allowing data to flow seamlessly between platforms. You won't believe how easy it is to generate live reports that update automatically as new data comes in. The app also includes templates and tutorials for common tasks like financial modeling, inventory tracking, and CP dashboards. This helps beginners get started quickly while giving advanced users the tools to build complex workflows. On the downside, some users may find initial setup intimidating, especially if they haven't used macros or scripts before. However, the app's step-by-step guidance and visual automation builder make it approachable for all skill levels. In conclusion, automate repetitive tasks in Excel and Sheets app is an essential tool for anyone looking to save time and reduce errors in spreadsheet management. By combining automation, integrations, and templates, it transforms tedious manual work into efficient, accurate, and repeatable processes.